Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency mining and exploring the best sites to get started. If you've been curious about how to earn crypto through mining, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. Understanding crypto mining. Before we get into the sites, let's quickly understand what crypto mining is. Cryptocurrency mining involves solving complex mathematical puzzles using computer power to validate transactions on the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new coins for their efforts. Choosing the right mining site. With numerous options out there, picking the right mining site is crucial. Look for sites with a strong reputation, transparent fee structures, and good customer support. Some popular sites to consider are NiceHash, Genesis Mining, and Hashflare. Cloud mining versus self-mining. There are two main ways to mine: cloud mining and self-mining. Cloud mining involves renting mining power from a company, while self-mining requires setting up your own mining rig. Cloud mining is beginner-friendly, while self-mining offers more control. Risk and rewards. It's essential to acknowledge the risks involved. Mining can be profitable, but it's not guaranteed. Factors like coin value, network difficulty, and electricity costs play a role. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, so it's important to be prepared for fluctuations. Getting started. To start mining, sign up on your chosen site, create a wallet for your earnings, and choose the coins you want to mine. Set up your mining equipment if you're self-mining, or purchase a mining contract for cloud mining. Tips for success. Here are some tips to maximize your mining success. 1. Research and choose a reputable mining site. 2. Calculate potential profits and costs before starting. 3. Stay updated on market trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. 4. Consider diversifying your mining portfolio for stability. Bonus point. And now, for the bonus point. While mining can be profitable, remember that it requires initial investment and continuous monitoring. However, it's a fantastic way to earn passive income and become more involved in the crypto world. To sum up, finding the best crypto mining site depends on your goals and resources. Whether you choose cloud mining or self-mining, make sure to do your research and stay informed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable insights. See you in the next one.